Namaste and good morning. So today's posture is Marichyansa. This is from Sage Marichi. So in this posture, you're going to bring your both legs to the front. This posture is good for your hamstring, your shoulder, your spine. And then you're going to bend your right leg. You're going to starting from the right leg. Inhale, arms up toward the ceiling. Looking at your hands, take a deep inhale. With the exhale, keep looking at your hands and you're folding forward. Exhale, fold forward. Now you might be here, or here. So this will give you a nice stretch in the right side of the hip. Either you're reaching to your feet or left foot or not. And then you're trying to fold forward. So this is one option. Or you can wrap your foot in your hands. You can stay here, or you are taking your right arm from the outside and wrapping your right leg, taking your left arm from the outside and trying to reach to the other hand. Or you can, if you are very close to your right hand, you can take a small towel or a rope and then make a nice bind and then try to fold forward. Wherever you are, go slow, take your time, listen to yourself. That's what yoga is. And when you're ready, slowly release the mind, straighten the leg, and try the same thing on the other side. Bend the left leg, inhale, arms up, exhale, fold forward how much you can. Now wrap your left leg inside the left arm, and you are trying to reach your right hand to the left hand. Take an inhale, exhale, fold forward, breathe, and when you're ready, slowly come back, straighten the leg, and then come back to comfortable sitting posture. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Namaste and happy Friday.